Hello and welcome to the App State Online Ready, Set, Go informational session. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Ruth Ann Combs, and I am one of the Assistant Directors of Transfer Recruitment here at Transfer Admissions and Engagement. I'm here to talk to you today about the admissions process for an App State Online program and what you can expect once you're admitted and confirm your enrollment at App State. Let's get started. The first step for all transfer applicants is to apply for transfer admission to Appalachian State University. Transfer applicants must have a 2.25 total college GPA and a minimum of 24 transferable college credit hours with grades of C or above. Please note that if you are applying to the RN to BSN program, that program does have more specific admissions requirements that you will have to meet, along with meeting the transfer admission requirements. If you are a first-year student and you want to apply to an online program at Appalachian, you will need to apply via the Common App. All online programs are available to first-year students with the exception of the RN to BSN program. To apply, applicants will complete their transfer student application on our website at admissions.appstate.edu. Applicants will be asked to either pay the $65 application fee or complete and submit the fee waiver form that is on the application. Applicants must also have all of their official college transcripts sent to our processing department at processing@appstate.edu. If an applicant does not have 24 transferable college credit hours, they must also submit their official high school transcript. Once the application is complete and all materials have been submitted, it goes through two stages. The first stage is review for transfer admission into Appalachian State University. During this stage, you will have an assigned transfer admissions counselor that will serve as your contact and support during the transfer process. If you are admitted to the university, then a credit evaluation will be completed to determine how your credits transfer into App State. Once the application is complete and all materials have been received, the review for admission into the App State online programs is approximately a 2 to 4 week turnaround time. The exception is the RN to BSN program, in which candidates go through an additional review process. The turnaround time for that program can be 4 to 8 weeks. The turnaround time can also depend on applicants' response time to follow-up questions from their transfer admissions counselor. During the review process for admission, we are looking to see if applicants meet the requirements for transferring and for the specific program they're applying for if that program has additional requirements. If all admission requirements are met, then the applicant is recommended for admission. If some admission requirements are in progress, the applicant is recommended for conditional admission. This simply means that the applicant must be sure to meet those requirements by the time they plan to start their App State online program. Conditional admission will be met when we see you meet all the admission requirements for transfer admissions. For example, when we get updated transcripts with grades at the end of the semester. Final and conditionally admitted applicants will receive an update on their admission status in their My Mountaineer portal. If an applicant is missing requirements, they will be sent an email informing them of what is missing and how to submit those requirements. Once a student has been accepted into an App State online program and confirm their enrollment, they will have a checklist populate in their My Mountaineer portal. From there, they can set up their App State email address, register for a self-paced virtual orientation, and learn how to register for classes. Online students will not have as many tuition and fees as main campus students. They will also not have to pay for housing or a meal plan, so the total tuition and fees for an online student is generally less than a main campus student. For more information on tuition and fees and payment plans, please visit studentaccounts.appstate.edu. FAFSA is the free application for federal student aid to apply for financial aid for college. That application opens on October 1st for the following year every year. Please visit studentaid.gov to complete your FAFSA application. Once admitted to App State, students will continue to have access to transfer admissions counselors for additional questions or concerns. However, once students begin registering for their first semester of classes, they will then be assigned an Appalachian State academic advisor for their coursework and program requirements. They will also have access to DegreeWorks. DegreeWorks is the web-based audit tool for monitoring your progress towards degree completion. DegreeWorks can be accessed through AppleNet or by going directly to the DegreeWorks login page at dw.appstate.edu. For any questions regarding AppState online programs, transfer admissions requirements, or anything related to transferring, please contact our Transfer Admissions and Engagement team at transferadmissions@appstate.edu. You can also schedule a one-on-one chat with a transfer admissions counselor at the website listed on the screen. Thank you so much for joining me today, and go Mountaineers!